Guys, try kong mag-walking. Time check 4:39. Dumaan lang ako sa bahay at kumuha lang ako ng bihisan at saka yung new shoes. Guys, masama ang pakiramdam ko pero sana madala ng pag-walking. Walking lang, hindi jogging. Baka mabaguhan ulit ako. Papapawis lang guys. Punta ako ng Corniche. Okay, let's go. Starting point guys is dito. May mga number yan. Yan dito. Yan. Yan ang starting point. So lakad tayo. Okay. Tingnan natin kung makakapag video ako dito. At kung halimbawa ay hindi bawal. Okay guys, kailangan maging magandang pakaramdam ko. Okay, let's go.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
1,000 ako. 1,000 meters. Okay. Ito. Pabalik na ako. Lang yan. Natamad na akong bumalik. Tagal kawis ko. Shit. Naghahanap na ako ng sasakyan. Pabalik. Tinatamad na akong bumalik sa sasakyan ko. Visit na yan. Ang gabi na oh. Lang yan. Nakahanap na ako ng sasakyan. Visit na yan. Natamad na. Nanay yung mayabang eh. Sagsagan eh. Mga 1,500 meters na. Ito, pabalik na ako. Masama ng pakiramdam ko. Naghanap na ako sa sasakyan para makabalik sa sasakyan ko. Visit na yan. Tinatamad na ako. Ang buhay ito. Sa una lang masarap eh. Ayan. Gusto ko ng ano. Talaga naman. Buisit. Tiknari. Ay, nako. Naghahanap na ng sasakyan eh, pabalik sa pinagalingan. Tinatamad nang bumalik. Sige. Madilim na eh. Talaga naman. Oh. Okay itong itong camera. Matilim na eh. Maganda pa rin ang ano. Aray. Oh. Naghahanap na ako ng sasakyan eh. Para bumalik. Ano ba yan? Nayabang eh. Ay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll